In this video, I'm sharing all the camera features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's get started. Might have 5x zoom. Rather than 10x, the other cameras could be similar to this 23 Ultras. We've heard a lot of leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's cameras, but oddly, there's been quite a lot of disagreement about them too. Most recently, we heard that Samsung would not include a 10x optical zoom camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with the phone instead apparently having a 5x optical zoom according to Universe. As well as a second lens offering a 3x zoom, 5x zoom would be in line with the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but Samsung has for years taken the lead in optical zoom, so it would seem strange for it to give up that lead. As for the other cameras, according to leaker Yogesh Brar, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 200MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide one, a 50MP telephoto one, likely offering 3x optical zoom, a 10MP periscope which the leak above suggests will offer just 5x optical zoom, and a 12MP front-facing camera. That would mean more megapixels in the telephoto camera than the 10MP unit found on this 23 Ultra, but the other numbers are the same as on the Galaxy's 23 Ultra. We've also heard from another source that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 50MP telephoto camera, and have similarly heard elsewhere that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 12MP selfie camera, just like the leak above claims, and that it won't be an under-display one. As these are the most recent leaks and come from reputable sources, we're inclined to believe them. But earlier leaks paint a different picture. Previously, for example, Universe suggested there wouldn't be a 50MP lens, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra instead apparently sporting a pair of 12MP snappers for telephoto shots. We've also heard another leaker claim previously that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have 3x and 10x zoom cameras, just like this 23 Ultra, but with minor improvements to the 10x zoom lens. Even earlier, the same source claimed that Samsung would only offer one telephoto snapper on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but that it would be able to shift between multiple zoom levels. However, they later claimed this plan had been canceled. There's also a questionable claim that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might still have 100x digital zoom, despite apparently only having 5x optical zoom. Finally, another early leak suggested that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra would have a 1-inch sensor, which would be much larger than we've seen from Samsung before and could improve dynamic range and low light performance. However, this isn't something we've heard mentioned recently, so we think this is unlikely. Overall, then the camera hardware upgrades might not be too substantial, but software is another matter, as Samsung has applied to trademark the terms Magic Pixel, Flex Magic, and Flex Magic Pixel. These are believed to be AI photography modes, which could be headed to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and they sound reminiscent of Google's AI tricks like Magic Eraser.